Behind every reliable solution we deliver lies a powerful backbone, Perennial's depot operations. Spread across key locations in India, our depots are not just storage points, they are centers of excellence where every unit is prepared, maintained, and perfected for field performance. From diesel generators and dewatering pumps to custom solutions like mobile lighting towers, each asset undergoes rigorous maintenance, fabrication, and testing before it ever reaches a site. With expert technicians, advanced tools, and in-house engineering capability.
Hello, I am Mr. M.D. Kamsetti, Head of Depot Operation, Pune and Bangalore. Our perspectives are service, maintenance, and operational readiness of depot. Our depot in Pune and Bangalore are heartbeats of Perennial's operation. This is where complete maintenance, testing, and customization of the equipment takes place before delivering to the client. While doing the equipment maintenance, we follow the following things strictly. One is the total quality control. Second, predictive maintenance. Third is IoT-based monitoring.
Our depots ensure that every dispatch is field ready, efficient, and built to endure. Because at Perennial, reliability doesn't happen by chance. It's engineered every day, in every depot, by the hands that keep industries running.